everybody, today I will show you how I drew Nami from One Piece. Cat burglar Nami is the navigator of the Straw Hat Pirates. She is the third member of the crew and the second to join. At first, Nami is the subordinate of the fisherman Arlong, but she is eventually freed of this service and permanently joins Monkey D. Luffy to fulfill her dream of creating a complete map of the Grand Line. In the series, Nami is the Straw Hat Pirates navigator who dreams of drawing a map of the entire world. Despite her initial distrust of pirates, Nami eventually changes her mind after being around Luffy and the rest of the crew. Nami is depicted as an intelligent girl who is obsessed with obtaining money. She also likes oranges and is able to manipulate the climate to create weather-based attacks. Nami is a slim young woman of average height with orange hair and brown eyes. Most people consider her to be very attractive or even beautiful. She has a black tattoo, blue in the anime, on her left shoulder, where she used to have a tattoo for being a member of Arlong's crew. If you like Nami in my drawing, please subscribe or click the like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.